In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Judge.me. Reviews on Shopify, step-by-step app setup guide. Let's get your product reviews up and running quickly. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head to the Apps area and choose the option to add a new app. This takes you to the Shopify App Store, where we'll find and install the Reviews tool. In the App Store, use the search bar and start typing Judge Me Reviews. As results appear, look for the official Judge.me product reviews app. Open the app listing, skim the description and ratings so you know you're in the right place, and then click Install. Shopify will show a permissions screen to let the app connect to your store. Review those details and click Install again to confirm. That approval step is completely normal. Shopify just wants to make sure you authorize the connection. After installation, you'll land in the Judge.me onboarding inside your Shopify admin. You'll see a short sequence of welcome or setup screens. For a quick start, simply continue by clicking Next to move through them. You can always fine-tune settings later, things like email requests for reviews, star styles, and display options. But moving forward now will get the core widget on your site fast. When you reach the prompt to install the review widget, click Install Review Widget. This adds the main review section to your product pages. Shopify will open the theme editor with the Judge.me block highlighted, so you can see exactly where it's placed on a sample product page. If the preview shows a sample product, that's okay. The widget will appear on all product pages once you save. You'll likely see a brief helper message from the app in the editor. Click. Got it to close that tip. Now, look to the top right of the theme editor and click Save. Saving publishes the widget to your live theme, which is the key step to make reviews visible to your customers. That's it. The review widget is installed. Visit any product page on your storefront to confirm you can see star ratings and the Write a Review area. If you don't have reviews yet, the section will still display so shoppers can start submitting feedback. As you collect reviews, stars and testimonials will automatically appear. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You can reposition the widget within the theme editor if you want it higher or lower on the page. And you can customize colors and text inside the Judge.me app later. For now, you've completed the essential setup and your store is ready to collect authentic customer reviews.